Good afternoon. My name is Cristian Camilo Carrillo Marín. I'm a student Universidad Abierta de Distancia. The program is Didactics of English, and I'm going to video for explication to syllabus the cure and the practical pedagogical. Didactica of English, COF 55 80 22. Practical component Article 3. The practical component is part of the curricular construction of higher education programs and the education for work and human development, and the group together plan and organize pedagogical and didactical strategy. Article Depth. The practical and methodological cures that are part of the formative route of the pedagogical and educational practice of the bachelor degree are offered in period of the 16 weeks. Pedagogical and educational practice. Article 4. Training strategies that articulate the knowledge and practice of the teaching profession with the social, cultural, and educational content, from participant observation, immersion, and research. Promotes the understanding to ethnic and cultural diversity, freedom of touch, and pluralism. The 1992 Lab in its field like chapter Article 6, Article 2028 grants autonomy to higher education institutions for elaborate their own regulation, define and organize their training activities. That the School of Educational Science in order to fuel its mission, promotes educational action based on the creativity and innovation, free and respectful intellectual deliberation, efficient and socially acquired as a transversal axis of teacher training. Promotion of the productive environment. The participant will promote in their practice scenarios free of any kind of discrimination based on sex, political or religions, ideology, and situations that pose physical and moral risk to children. Pre-practice seminar. The achievement of the practice scenarios will be charged of the pedagogical and educational practice team headed by the nationality leader in their chiefs. As a strategy of the School of Educational Science is development in the period the beginnings of the pedagogical practice route. Is the program degree program in education, philology, English, mathematics, and early childhood education. Paragraph 1. The practice premium seminar has no credit, is not a degree return, has no costs. Paragraph 2. The program practice seminar has a competition offer in the environment process. The offer the student must be aware on the touch internal campus nights. I'm going to unwear the process in the syllabus cure. The syllabus of the cure. In the Unity 5, in Unity 1, language teaching, the learning strategy is organized in 5 phrases. Phrase 1, recognition activity. Phrase 2, language theory and syllabus. Phrase 3, language in teacher skills. skills. Phrase 4 simulate scenario. Phrase 5 activity. Unit 1 language teaching. In this unit, the following contents will be addressed. Concept of Didactics of English. Concept of syllabus and syllabus descents. Types of the syllabus. Theory of teaching in language teachings. Unity 2 language skills. In this unit, the following contents will be addressed. Teacher skill in the new digital era. Teaching reside and product language skill with the heel on the language. Research of the product language skill in language teaching. Phrase 3 language and teacher skill. To be development from week 8 to week 11, the response or learning outcome 3. The activity are proposed digital and digital activity developing the 4 language skills taking into account the needed or demand of the student. In the pedagogical practice scenarios in describe the English teacher competence and skills. Phrase 4 simulate scenario. To be development from the week 11 to the week 14. To respond to learn outcome 4. The activities are develop in reflect analyze about common situations in educational context using and simulate practice scenario and their or practice scenarios. Final moments. Phrase 5 finally activity. To be development from week 14 to week 16. The response to learning outcome 5. The activities are identify problem in the English teaching within the observation context in the order to formulate research question be means of the sub-analysis. The evaluation criteria for the activity are the sub-analysis is complete in coherent with the 2 resource question proposed. The highest score to activity is 125 corresponds to 25 of the cure evaluation. This finally activity. Thank you for the video. To see video. Thank you.